Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a natural hair tutorial of how to get these cute heatless curls. And when I say heatless, I just mean no flat iron. I did use a blow dryer to get these curls. So yeah, stay tuned as I show you step by step of how to achieve these curls in just overnight. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and we can keep it moving.
Them curls got me in heat, baby.
So I washed my hair with this tea tree oil shampoo and conditioner. Makes my hair feel really nice and soft. Afterwards, I did a deep conditioning with the Main Choice Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask right here. I left that in just about all day today. And so now I'm about to show you all how I get those curls. And so while it's still wet, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this Cream of Nature right here. It's like a 7-in-1 treatment. It helps with heat protection, damage defense, controls frizz, moisturizes your hair, detangles, adds shine, all that good stuff. So I'm only gonna put like a few sprays, like that much, all in the row of my hair. All right, I'm about to blow dry my hair. So I guess I can go ahead and get started. So I just got done blow drying my hair, as you can see. And when you blow dry your hair for this style, you don't have to get it all the way dry. Like, the goal is to get it mostly dry. I still have a few damp spots, but that's okay because it's gonna fully dry. So I'll be using the Main Choice leave-in conditioner right here. And I'm gonna start by keeping my middle part going all the way down, and I'm gonna just section my hair. All right, and so after that, I'm just gonna take a good amount of size of the leave-in conditioner and just put it in all over the side. Okay, so now that I have that part taken care of, I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna get a piece about that size and twist this part up. Use my little clip. Okay, so I'll be using the orange rollers for this style. So basically, comb it out. You're gonna grip the root tight. Take the roller, wrap it around, twist your hair around. And then take the bottom part and then wrap it around like that so it's clamped in. And you kind of want to use like, you don't have to use tiny pieces, but that's a good amount. It really just depends on, number one, how many rollers you have. And you got a lot of rollers, and the size you want your curls to be. That's key too. So. So this is how my hair looks, all rolled up. I did that same process throughout my whole head. And so you can kind of tell like how I grip my edges. Make sure they're not too tight, but you know, tight enough. And so when you really get to this point, you can either sit under the dryer or like I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna sleep in it. Sleeping in these rollers are kind of uncomfortable, but you know, I make it work. And so I'm gonna put my bonnet on and I'm gonna go to sleep, and then we're gonna see how these curls turn out in the morning. So it's the next morning and I'm just about to take out these curls to see how they turned out. So let me see. You pull the bottom down and then hold the top, and then it automatically comes off. So got a little curl like that. So let's see. Yep, so you pull the bottom, pull the top, and then it usually just unravels from there. Okay, so these are how my curls turned out. Of course, I'm not gonna just wear my hair like this. So I usually just pick it out with my fingers. So my curls turn out like this. And so I kind of don't like my edges. So let me go get me some edge control so we can get them edges laid. All right, so for my edge control, I am using Honeybee's Nayo Beeswax Edge Control Pomade. And so this has been my favorite edge control that I've used recently. I don't get any of that white flaky stuff. My edges do stay laid for a while. And yeah, and then it came with like a toothbrush. I could just lay my edges with that. So right here. And I'm gonna just not do too much, but just kind of lay them down nicely. All right, so yeah, this is how I get my curls like this. This is how I lay my edges. Hopefully this style lasts me for a good little while. So thank you all for watching this video. Stay tuned for more Naturally Hey videos. And yeah, comment below if you have any questions or if you decide to try the same style, and let me know what products you decide to use. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.